Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview API for algorithmic trading. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to access the API for algorithmic trading. Now you can access the API for algorithmic trading by simply clicking on the API button on the Tradingview dashboard. That will take us to step 2, which is to register for an API key. So you want to go ahead and register for an API key because that will enable you to access the Tradingview's API. Now step 3 will be to use the API to access market data. So go ahead and use the API to access market data such as historical price data or real-time quotes. Fourth and final step will be to use the API to execute trades. So go ahead and use the API to execute trades such as buying or selling securities. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview API for algorithmic trading. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys